May He give you your heart desires and fulfill your whole purpose. Psalm 20 verses 4. Hello beautiful family, warmest welcome back again to the Love You Start channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Today I get to share with you a step-by-step recipe of how you can make akpl3 and also a very simple hot pepper sauce that complements it very well. So please stay tuned and let's do this together. Well, this recipe needs just 3 ingredients, which is your white cornmeal flour, water and salt. As you can see, I have quite a lot, and to avoid it from attracting all the little insects, I just go ahead and put some bay leaves on top just so that it stays fresh and no insect will ever come close at all. Okay, so do same if you have some at home. So all that I will be taking is 2 cups of my cornmeal flour. 2 cups, I will turn half cup of it into a porridge form, and I'll keep the remaining 1.5 for later use. Okay, so once I'm done, I'll just of course put back my bay leaves on it and cover it until next time I need this. Okay, and yes, this is the same flour that you will ferment it and use it for banku. I will be adding a water to the half cup of the flour, and it's really important to whisk it when you add the water. We are turning it into a porridge form, and it has to be absolutely lump free. And while doing this, I also have my water boiling already on fire. Okay, so I'm going to add the porridge, and it's also very important to stir very well, and you stir until it thickens up. Allow it to boil for about 5 minutes, and it has thickened up the way I want it. So I'm going to divide it into 2 equal parts and then go ahead and put it back on fire and add the rest of the flour little by little. It should be really gentle, and it's very important to lower your heat. And yes, the stirring association we need to gather here, because yes, it is our turn right now. So you need to stir until everything becomes a uniform, and you have to go ahead and add the rest of the flour according to the texture or the consistency that you want. Okay, so yes, slowly by slowly you also go ahead and add the rest of the porridge that we made earlier. We'll have to stir gentle, slowly, until everything is well combined. Be sure to add the rest of the porridge if you feel like it's too thick. Okay, so it's really depends on how thick or how soft you want your akpl3 to be. Okay. After driving this back and forth for 10 minutes, we are almost done, and I'll go ahead and add salt at this stage. For the salt part, you can add it at any stage that you prefer. Okay, so we have like 5 minutes left for us to get things done. So all that I will do is I will drive it for an extra 2 minutes and then cover it and allow it to steam for extra 5 minutes, and we should be done. In the meantime, I'll be prepping myself for the hot pepper sauce, which is absolutely simple. For the hot pepper sauce, I'll be using some fresh tomatoes. I have about 4 of them, small sizes, and I have some ginger, habanero pepper. It depends on how hot you want it. And here is my half-size onion, and I have some herring powder and some salt and abobi. I'll be grinding it together just so we make our very nice hot pepper sauce. And not forgetting our earthen bowl and a grinder. I'll first of all rinse So here I will rinse my earthen bowl and also wash off my vegetables, and I also like to chop them into smaller pieces just so that the grinding process become much more easier. And do not worry if you don't have a thin bowl, it's no problem at all. You can use your blender as well. Okay, so everything has been well chopped now, and let's start with the grinding process. I always love to start with the onions. Yes, this one is proper ifie mekochie. And I'll go in with my ginger, and then follows the abobi or the anchovies and the peppers, and the list goes on until everything is done grinded beautifully. It's super easy sauce, or you can also call it salsa. But along the line, I think hubby figured it out that I was struggling with this. So he came to the rescue, and oh yes, his mama taught him well. So yes, it was a great help. Last things that need to go in are the herring powder and the salt. The herring powder is quite optional. Once you have the anchovies, you're cool with that. But I had some at home, so I added it anyways. We are done with our salsa. Super easy and so simple. We're going to enjoy this. It was so cold, so it was really needed. That hot spicy cake with this amazing and soft akpele was all that we needed for the day. Trust me, this dish is super easy and very affordable as well. And especially if you have gassy problems when you consume bangkong, I really highly recommend akpele for you. It is yours. Okay, try it and you will not regret it at all. Let's set now, and all I'm going to do is to plate it in my asanka, and yeah, we are ready to enjoy it. And of course, akpele is not meant to be enjoyed with only okra. So yes, if you're seeing this for the very first time, I think you need to try this. Okay, we are done, y'all, fam. Looks super good and amazing. Also shared a recipe of a simple okra soup recipe that you can absolutely pair with this. Okay, yes, we have our shito, and the shito recipe is here as well. Everything will be down below in the description box. It was so good, family. Thank you so very much for watching. And if you did enjoy this step-by-step recipe, be sure to like, comment, share to a few friends and family. And if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovey's Touch. I love to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. So please be sure to subscribe and join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much for watching once again, and I will see you again in my next one. But before that, just know that you're so beautiful just the way you are. See you.